Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the Kamei ZLX24M control panel for 24-volt swing gate motors. For installation you will need a small flat screwdriver for terminals, electrician's scissors, and a wire stripper. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Disconnect the cable coming from the transformer, and remove the electronic board. Remove the two cables, blue and brown, coming from the transformer from the line filter. Using scissors, cut the two fastens from the cables just removed from the line filter. Strip the two wires. And connect them to the terminal block supplied with the module. Connect the blue wire to L1T, and the brown wire to L2T. Connect the cable with the two fastens to the line filter. Insert the transformer cable terminal block into the green power module in the position indicated. Connect the line filter with the green power module. Connect the STB cable to the module. We finish the installation by repositioning the electronic board inside the control panel, then insert the STB cable, and reconnect the transformer cable. Using the arrow keys and enter, access the functions menu, and verify that the parameter F60 is set to 2. If the F60 parameter is not present, you need to update the board to the latest firmware version. Use the Kamei key and the Setup app to update. The automation with green power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.kamei.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing Kamei for your automatic gate.